Hi all, it's Travels and More with Jason here. Well, we are going to do, we're going to have a look at a part of my collection that is going to be going. I had them hidden away for about a year, maybe two, in a cabinet. Now I decided to put basically some Britons in. Let me show you. These are what the cars was originally in, the Lesneys, that what we're going to have a look again. And I decided to put the Britons in there instead. So yeah. So basically we're going to have a look at these Lesneys, aka Matchbox cars. They're all dated beyond the 80s. So basically mainly 70s and 60s cars. And they're the really small ones, as you will see. So I thought we'd have a look, have a show. And then after we've done this, I'm going to be chucking them on the Evil Bay to get some money, because I had them hidden away for at least, a year, maybe two. Somebody else needs them now. They go to other collectors now. So yeah. So come on, mate. Let's have a nose. Nose? Yeah, let's have a look, shall we? I'll tell you something. They are cool. I'm not gonna get rid of them all. I probably will be. But they are cool. I mean, there's a reason why I liked them. But come on, let's have a look. But before we do, if you can help me out, give me a thumbs up. Please share. Please subscribe to the channel. Helps it out. And also you can watch the full video. Even if you're not watching it, just leave it on. It helps me out. And if you really want to help, join Patreon or the membership. Membership starts at 99p. What's 99p? I mean, I've got about 4 99p's from other people that I've joined to help them out. So come on, let's have a nose, shall we? Let's have a nose. That's some gorgeous stuff. Alright, here we are. The full collection. Wow, yeah, it is the full collection that I had. All the rest are all long gone. These are the ones I decided to keep. But so we're going to have a look at each one by one. Well, I think anyway. Alright, so let's have a look at the first one. What shall we look at? Pickup. I mean, 1960s I would have said. Really nice, got some style. And as you can see, by Lesney, made in England. And it says what it is. Of course, I can't read it when it's backwards. I wonder if we can turn it that way. There we are. A Connor pickup. Did it say what year? No, it doesn't. Right. But it's a cool car. Right. Next one. Milk float. It's not a bad milk float. I've had a couple of these in the past, but this was a better one. It still had some of the stickers left. All the milk waiting to be delivered. Never got to be delivered. Lovely fan. I think I will keep this one actually. This way. There we are. Number 21. Quite early one, really. Let's go for this one. Now we see it's not complete. Another Lesney. Let's see. And but also underneath Matchbox. Fiat. But we had a roof rack on this one. Something about these cars back in the day. Always cool. This one's had a bit of damage. Seen better days as well, actually. Mercedes-Benz. That's about how bad some of them look on the main road these days. Cool, eh? Right. Who don't want a ice cream fan? Look at that. Lloyd's made. God. Granddad waiting to serve you. Give you a 99. Go. Nina, Nina. Highway Patrol. American, obviously. It's not bad. Matchbox garages. Always wanted to go on one of these. You know, one of actually these. I've been on Greyhound when I've been in America. But I never went on one of these. So these was long gone by the time I did it. Something about this one. It's, yeah. Got some memories. There we are. Cool. This was actually one of the very first ones I picked up. I started getting these from a friend, and I wasn't pass them on, and basically I was going to flog them. No, I wasn't. He had them for sale, and I decided I quite liked them because of how good detail they were. And well, I've had these for a good 20 years. London Taxi. This one I think's been painted. Well, yeah, you can tell it has. It's actually dinky. Early dinky one. Still about the first day. Cool car. Cool car. Alright, let's have a look at the next one. Ford Coscel. Now, this is one I'm definitely keeping. Coca-Cola. Cool, eh? Now, who remembers going on one of these? Car. I got taken off not that long ago as well. About Route Masters. I think they went off 10 years ago, I think. The old dust cart. Look at that. Now, I do believe this is a proper Matchbox one. Yep, there we are. But it's also Leslie. British European Airways. Basically, there we are. Look at that. Cool, eh? Airport job. Alright. Nestle. Still belt to this day. Chocolate company. Cool fan. That is cool. Another comma. Now, who don't love a Beetle? 3W, and if I remember rightly, the bonnet used to open. There we are. You can see the little engine. You know, did you know that the first Volkswagen was built by a certain German person back in 1936? Totally different. Well, same in the shape. Now, who remember radio rentals? I know I do. I used to rent my video of them. My video player back in the day. So did my mum. I bet loads of people did back in the day. I bet loads of people did. Probably another comma. Bus. Dickies. Stickers long gone. Yep, London trolley bus. Seen better days. Who remembers this one? Inspector Morse. Go on, mate. I think it might be a bit damaged. Yeah. Cool, eh? Alright, we're looking at the last 5. I'm not going to do them all. I mean, there's still about 9 left, but nah. Don't want to bore you. Not bad, eh? Very early fire engine. Second World War. Oh, as if this ain't, but the vehicle is. Royal Mail. Not a bad one. It even says that big letters, Royal Mail, made in England. I think it had a repaint job actually. Now we've got the last 2. Another dust cart. Now for the last one. Alright, that's it. And the last ones are here. I'll show you a good one. Well, I hope you enjoyed that trip down memory lane. I was looking at some Leslie's / Matchbox cars. Yeah, I really did love them, but they're not part of my collection no more. They're going to go to new homes, they are. So, if you enjoyed this video, you know what you're going to do, because I already said it right at the beginning, so I'm not going to say it again. Anyway, that's it for now, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I need to get some more Britons. A lot more. See you later.